In this video, we will show you how to assemble the Pure Fitness Ab Crunch Sit-Up Bench. To assemble, you will need a wrench and a socket wrench. In the box, you will find the backrest cushion, the foam rollers, the round leg caps, the base frame, the back frame, the ankle support attachment, and the hardware. Place the backrest cushion part 4 on a flat surface with the logo facing the surface. Align the back frame part 2 openings to the openings of the backrest cushion. Tighten with 4 cushion bolts M8 part 10 and 4 M8 washers part 11 on all openings. Use two 2-inch round leg caps part 8 to cover both openings of the back frame. Use the 2-inch square end caps to cover the upper openings of the frames, and install the remainder of the 2-inch round caps on the base frame. Align both the assembled base frame and the assembled back frame so the upper portions meet. Align the upper openings of both frames. Secure both frames at 1 frame bolt part 12, 2 M10 washers part 13, and 1 frame bolt nut part 14. Place the lock pin part 9 on the upper opening. Make sure the lock pin is in place and will not move while in use. Place the ankle support attachment on a desired height on the base frame and tighten in place with the hinge lock part 15. Once installed, place all 4 foam rollers part 5 on the arms of the ankle support attachment and the arms at the top of the frame where they meet. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.